Hello everybody, it's your girl Natasha Shylon. I don't even know where to start. It's been over a year since I made a video. There's been a lot going on. Part of the reason I don't make the videos like I used to is because I wanted to get a camera and I finally got one. I've been being cheap by not getting one. That's what that was the real tea. Okay, I could have been had a camera, but I was being cheap and decided to spend my money on other things. I got a camera. So right now I am vlogging off of my 11 Pro. That's what my videos I got on my page. Those are all from being on my 11 Pro that I'm on right now. So the camera I got, okay, so I've got a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I'm used to working with Canon cameras. I'm a broadcast student. I know Canon cameras, okay? These some good cameras, right? So so let me show y'all what they came in. So I ordered the video creator kit. This is the box that it came with. I ordered it from Focus Point. I believe that was the website. Yeah, it was like $680 for the camera, including the video creator kit. So it came with this, like the little tripod for the camera. It came, so I already opened it, of course. I ordered the camera a week ago, okay, and now I'm finally vlogging it and I finally figured out how to work it and stuff or whatever, which is kind of simple if you already know how to work cameras. It's simple. So it came with a battery. Y'all see that? Dang, that's the battery it came with. Now this is the box. Oops. This is the box that the camera came in. And here she is. So this is so I watched other people's YouTube videos on like good cameras to get for like beginners on YouTube. And this was a common one that I had seen on there. I guess like $600 something. That's kind of decent for a camera, like for your first camera, because cameras can really get really expensive. But they said this was a good vlogging one because when you vlog, you can see yourself on this screen right here. So I definitely want to order a screen protector for it, and probably get like a case or something. So then, let me see what else. See, I didn't already open it, so I don't even know what to tell y'all it came with. What else it came with? So it also came with an SD card. So in the box, you get your instructions on how to work it. You can register it. I have not registered it yet. Here go the instructions. This is honestly a pretty simple camera, honestly. But I guess I'll say that because I've worked with cameras before. But trust me, it's really not hard at all. It's not. Now, when you start doing the extra stuff, want to add in like you want to change like the filters, you know, all that extra stuff on there. Now that can get complicated, but yeah. So this is the second battery that it came with. And then it also comes with a charger piece for your batteries, which is this thing right here. You just put the battery in it and then you just plug it up and put it in the wall. How long it charged for, I don't know. I didn't even look at that part in the directions yet. Honestly, I still need to look at the directions. I was just so eager to just start using the camera, you know? So before I switch, because I'm going to switch over to the Canon camera. Right now I'm on an 11 Pro. I'm going to switch over to the to this camera in a second. So this thing comes out, I don't know exactly what this part is. But you know, that's the vlogging, and then you can lift it up, push it back down if you don't want that up, and then that's the screen right there. And then this is like, I feel like this would work so good like with like vlogging, when you like walking around, you know, you want to vlog or whatever. I'm about to put it on there. So you just screw that on there. And it's honestly best to just, when you buy a camera, just get the video creator kits. So like you gonna already, it's gonna come with the SD card, it's gonna come with the battery charger, then you gonna get this with it. It's kind of like a better deal instead of buying all the stuff separately. I don't even know how much the camera is separately. I automatically went for the kit, the video. Why do I keep saying video creator kits. So I got it on there, nice and cute. And then you can use it as like a tripod, you know, to, I guess, record your videos. Or right now my phone is on my ring light. But so yeah, that's that. So now I'm about to switch over to the camera so y'all can see the difference. Am I focused? I think I'm focused. All right, so this is the camera. I don't even know, I'm looking at the screen. I think I should be looking straight at the lens. But this is the camera. It looks a little blurry, I don't know. Yes. Oh baby. I'm so excited because I gotta get used to looking at the camera lens instead of looking at the screen. But I am so excited that I finally have a camera. I promise my followers that I have, I promise myself, I'm about to start doing videos. Since this is my senior year, I'm about to be graduating in December, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try to do videos, like a video every, I'm gonna try to aim for maybe every week or maybe every 2 weeks. I just gotta get the hang of how my schedule go, how my school schedule gonna go or whatever. But okay, anyways, back to this camera. To me it kind of looks like it might be a little blurry. I don't know, I gotta work with the focus or whatever, but it might not be blurry once I turn it off and look at it. But this is really nice. Like, this is really freaking nice. Like, I'm so excited. If you just starting your channel, I'm not even just starting my channel, I'm going on over a year with my channel, but to me I'm just getting started because now I got a camera. But definitely invest in yourself and get a camera. I should have listened to people when they've been telling me to get my camera and I was just being cheap. But I got it and I'm about to be consistent. The quality is nice, you know, that'll definitely help with your videos. Even though on the iPhones the quality is nice as well, but it ain't nothing like having a camera. Nothing like having a camera. But yeah, definitely get this camera. Great beginner camera, easy to work with. Hey, if you never work with a camera, you got your manual is right here. Everything you need, everything that's gonna tell you how to set it up, how to work, everything, literally everything is in this booklet. So definitely definitely get a camera. I know on there they even had, on Focus Point, they even had like a payment plan that you could do on there too. Like if you don't want to like pay for it all up front or whatever. I don't know if other websites have that with cameras, but with Focus Point, I really think, I hope I'm saying the name of the website right. But if I'm not, I'm gonna put the website at the bottom or whatever, the name of the camera, how much I spent, all that. But yeah, so like if you don't have all the money up front, definitely do the payment plan or whatever, see if you can maybe qualify for that, however that goes. But I love this. I absolutely love this camera so much. Definitely just for it being my beginner camera. Like last time I had a camera I was like 13 and now I'm 24. How'd that work? I should have been had a camera by now. But yeah, if y'all watch this video, hit the like button for me, comment if you got any questions, subscribe. I promise I am back. Natasha Shyline is back. I'll be back with hair updates, everything. So thank y'all for watching and I will see y'all in the next video.